ZiPline Conveyor's ZiPsort goods-to-person workstation is the perfect complement to a goods-to-person storage and retrieval system. The proven technology easily connects your operator pick stations with the rest of your order fulfillment system. The GTP workstation is designed to accommodate 4 to 8 order containers, such as totes or boxes, and the zoned accumulation ensures gentle and accurate placement. For picking or put-away operations, associates can pick or put to each container location. As jobs are completed, a transfer conveyor removes the completed case to the adjacent discharge conveyor before bringing in a new case to fill the empty position. With an all-electric design, the ZiPsort GTP workstation provides a quieter operation versus pneumatically powered alternatives, and it was specifically designed with small cases in mind. The workstation is outfitted with rollers and transfer belts on 3-inch centers, and each order position is outfitted with pick-to-light technology, alerting operators where a pick should be placed. The system is also designed with a plug-and-play wiring system, allowing for easy connection to supply chain software systems such as the Exacta Warehouse Control and Warehouse Management Suites. ZiPline Conveyor's ZiPsort goods-to-person workstation provides a seamless connection between goods-to-person technology and the rest of your operation, giving you increased productivity and faster order fulfillment. Visit bastionsolutions.com/zipline for more information.